Alright, so now we're gonna do the screen defender because I have dogs and I don't want them to come up against this door, especially if someone's outside that they don't think should be there and they scratch this screen. It's pretty easy, I think, to tear. So we're gonna install this. Alright, so in the box comes this screen and your instructions, and then also these kind of extenders and dividers to fill in where your screen doesn't quite match the door. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with my divider. I am going to put one side like that. The other side, to get it even. I think that's even. No, that's even. All right. So I got my divider ready, but let's just see how the this fits in the door. So there's a thing here, a thingamajig here, and a thingamajig here, and I think those fit inside your door in this screw here. So slide one over here and the other right here, and then once you get to the top, you just okay, so there is some space. So to lift it up, see, this is at the top, we're going to use the spacer. So I think this goes this way, and I think you just pop it in like this and then set this on top of it. So this goes on one side, this goes on the other side. Okay, so I've had to like push this down pretty hard into this bottom tray, and then now it should go in pretty free. Alright, so I think when my dogs come up now, it'll be fine.